Welcome to AgriBot channel. Today we are looking at an eco-friendly pest management technology from IHR for cabbage and cauliflower. If diamondback moth and aphids are troubling your crop and chemical spray costs are going out of control, this neem seed powder pellet formulation can be a very practical solution. Cabbage and cauliflower face heavy pressure from insect pests, especially diamondback moth, aphids, stem borer and Spodoptera. These pests feed on tender plant parts and spoil the head quality, which directly affects salability. For farmers, the problem is not just yield loss, but also poor-looking produce that consumers reject. That is why pest control in cole crops needs to be both effective and safe. To address this issue, ICAR Indian Institute of Horticultural Research, Bengaluru refined an eco-friendly technology called Neem Seed Powder Pellet Formulation, or NSPPF. It is part of a broader integrated pest management approach that also includes trap crops, neem soap and biocontrol options. The important point is that NSPPF is practical for field use and reduces dependence on synthetic insecticides. It is designed to manage major pests while keeping the produce safer and cleaner. This technology was demonstrated not only at the National Horticultural Fair in IHR Bengaluru, but also in a real farmer's field. The on-farm demonstration happened at Madapanahalli village in Yelahanka Hobli of Bengaluru Rural District. The crop was cauliflower hybrid Dhaval, raised on 1 acre with technical guidance from IHR entomologists. This is important because results under actual farm conditions matter most to growers. The cauliflower seedlings were transplanted at 25 days age with 45 by 30 cm spacing. An initial fertilizer dose of NPK at 120:80 was given, and the field had drip irrigation support. The first NSPPF spray was applied at 15 days after transplanting, and careful coverage of the growing tips was maintained. That coverage is critical because pests like diamondback moth often attack the tender growing portions first. Preparation of NSPPF is quite straightforward, but farmers must follow the steps properly. The pellets are soaked overnight in water, then the extract is filtered through muslin cloth or net before spraying. A sticker at 0.5 ml per liter is added, so the spray spreads and sticks better on the crop. Sprays are repeated every 7 to 8 days up to 70 days after transplanting depending on pest incidence. Alongside the NSPPF plot, there was a conventional check plot where farmers used regular chemical insecticides like difenthurone, dichlorvos, lambda-cyhalothrin, indoxacarb, flobendiamide, and spinosad. In that plot, sprays were given almost every 3 to 4 days. This comparison clearly showed the difference between routine chemical dependence and a neem-based eco-friendly schedule. For farmers, fewer sprays also mean less labor pressure and easier crop management. One of the strongest findings was that NSPPF controlled diamondback moth almost at par with chemical treatment. The DBM incidence was 0.4 larvae per plant in the NSPPF plot, compared with 0.3 per plant in the chemical plot. That means the neem pellet approach gave nearly similar pest suppression without needing additional insecticide applications. For a farmer, this is a big confidence booster when shifting to safer methods. The economics are where this technology becomes very attractive. The farmer had been spending about 35,000 rupees on insecticides for just 0.5 acre. But with NSPPF, the total expenditure for the season was only around 9,000 rupees, giving a saving of 25,000 rupees. Profit from 0.5 acre rose to 98,000 rupees with NSPPF, compared to around 55,000 rupees under chemical management. The benefit-cost ratio also improved sharply, showing that eco-friendly pest management can be more profitable, not less. NSPPF-treated cauliflower also gave better market appeal. Consumers preferred these curds because they were of good quality, residue-free, and had a higher average curd weight of 1.20 kg, compared with 0.9 kg in the chemically managed crop. Residue analysis at IHR found no trace of NSPPF residue on cauliflower heads. So this technology supports safer food, healthier farm ecology and better returns from the market. So the big takeaway is clear. IHR's neem seed powder pellet formulation can control key cauliflower and cabbage pests with fewer sprays, lower cost and better quality produce. If you found this useful, like the video, share it with fellow farmers and subscribe to AgriBot channel for more practical agriculture technologies.